Hey, this is Tim. Okay, today we got a 08, I think. Let's see. Yep, 08 Cadillac CTS. Customer complaint. Check engine light. All right, let's see what's going on here. Full trend system, 2-lane, bank one. Bank one. Bank one. Bank one. Bank one, sensor 2. Bank 1, sensor 2. So we're probably looking at bank 1, sensor 2. And let's see if it's got let's see what the 4th digit is. It is a D. So it's that one. CTS. Alright, let's see the body. If it has any codes. Nope. None on them. Try the chassis. Brake control module, see if it has any. Nope. So we got an O2 sensor. So let's see what the customer wants to do. Okay. Well, I had fun getting this one out. Sometimes they are fun. I had to heat it up. This is bank 1, sensor 2. I had to spray it, cut it, heat it up, everything. And sometimes that happens. So it ended up looking like this. But, and the box number for this is 16746. Putting this in. One of these days I'm gonna hire a cameraman. Make things a little bit easier for me. Alright, I'm gonna tighten that up. And of course you plug it in here. And like I said, the old one was really hard to get out. I had to cut it. If you cut it like right here, then you can get any 7/8 on socket on there, and that's what I did. And just use a breaker bar, because you really can't with it on the wiring this long, but use an O2 socket. And sometimes they just don't get on there that good. Alright, let's get this tightened up. Oh, there's just something about a Cadillac. I really do. So if you got a po138, let's go ahead and get out of here and clear this up. That'll be bank 1 sensor 2. You got your check engine light on. This is a Cadillac CTS. Go ahead and go to the race codes. Alright. Ain't too bad. And then I'll go to my data stream and make sure it's okay, that's bank 1 sensor 1. I'm gonna want bank 1 sensor 2. Bank 1 sensor 2 0455. Yeah, working good now. Alright, another one done at Tim's Auto. Yeah, come on. Thanks for watching.
Tonight